Evening. Bless here with my lavender. Yep, lavande is lavender in French. I don't have the real, but I have the essential oil. Just smell it. Very relaxing. It has a very relaxing and fragrant odor on it. So let's see here. Yep. There's Lavandula officinalis, Lavandula augustifolia. Yep, it's an aromatic member of the mint family, native to the Mediterranean region, northern and eastern Africa, and parts of India. And it has purple, white, or blue, or usually purple flowers nearly all summer long and into autumn. We also have a lot of lavender here in France. The plant is a low growing shrub with multiple stems and spikes of flowers. Yep. So let's just move on to uh, summary of its healing attributes. Take note if you're having a medical condition, a special medical condition such as pregnancy, or maybe if you're having epilepsy, please double check with your doctor to see if lavender or other herbs are safe to be used on your end. Because some essential oils can induce abortion. That's why we have to be very careful. The scent of lavender is relaxing and uplifting, and it makes itself a great aromatherapy for stressed out or depressed individuals. It's also very good for insomnia. You can try adding some lavender oil to your bath or add it to mild oil for a relaxing massage at the end of the day. Stuffing a pillow with lavender buds may help insomniacs relax and fall asleep and soothes headaches. Equal combination of lavender and peppermint is good for headaches and migraines. Equal equal proportions of lavender and tea tree is very good for removing acne naturally. Because lavender is said to amplify the other essential oils properties that's being mixed with it. That's why it's very good to be used as an essential oil, and it's compatible with most of the essential oils around. It's That's the very good thing about lavender. Lavender deters fleas and moths. You can place sachets of lavender buds or lavender wands in your cupboard and closets, or stuff them into pet bedding to help deter pests from these areas. So it happened to be a natural um insect repellent. You can also put sachets of lavender in your dryer to scent your laundry. You can use it several times. So let's move on with the magical attributes. Lavender is masculine in action, and it is associated with Mercury. It is also associated with the element of air and the astrological sign Virgo. It may be used as an asperging herb. You can just use it for purification purposes. Dried lavender sticks or wands can be burnt like incense. That's the fantastic thing about that. You can also burn lavender essential oil for your spells. It is also useful in spells to sharpen the mind, to encourage or strengthen pure love, and to encourage fertility. That's why lavender and ilang ilang, equal proportions of it, is not just good for relaxing, but also if you feel like casting a love spell or whatnot, lavender and ilang ilang can be a very good combination. Yeah. And what else? So in short, for its magical properties, it's known for its love. For it's used for love, any kinds of love spells, protection. It's not bad when it comes to being a protective herb or an essential oil, because it has just that protective feel to it, and it's very good to induce sleep. And if in other sources, if you want to promote chastity, lavender can help you with that. Okay, so some more info about lavender, about its history and folklore. The earliest recorded uses of lavender, some of it are by the Roman soldiers who used the wild growing plant to perfume their bath water and wash their clothes. Because of the association with clothes washing, medieval English washerwomen were referred to as lavenders. The And what else? You can just Check more details in the description box down below about that. In Spain and Portugal, lavender was traditionally strewn on the floor of churches or thrown into bonfires to avert evil spirits on St. John's Day. In Tuscany, pinning a sprig of lavender to your shirt is a traditional ward against the evil eye because it has lavender is not bad when it comes to being a protective herb, being a protective plant. So you can just see the picture of lavender on the link that I'm gonna put in the description box. So here you go. Today's herb or this week's herb is lavender. Yeah. Lavande officinal because it's in French. This is my essential oil. Very, very good for relaxation and protection. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a like. Please share and pretty please subscribe. Alright? If you do subscribe, please don't forget to click the bell button so that you won't miss an update. Thank you very much for watching. Have a magical day full of relaxation and protection energy. Blessed be. I hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye!